Hey everyone, I thought I'd just show you my new acquisition. It is the Rolex Submariner, which a lot of people call the Submariner No Date. I got it yesterday, which was January 15th, 2018. And I just wanted to give you guys some shots in 4K of this bad boy. She is my dream watch. And I guess if you're watching this video, it may be something of high interest to you too. It is crazy comfortable. The bracelet and everything is just fantastic. It really is. I mean, I keep on hearing that, and it really is true. It's not top heavy at all. It just wears very, very nicely. And of course, you get all the stuff that comes with the watch, which is everything from your watch box, outer box, that you can see, all the manuals and your warranty cards and what have you. My AD actually gave me a book, a catalog of the 2017-2018 catalog of Rolex watches. So that was a nice little thing to have. And this watch actually replaced a previous diver, or I guess I really should say my current diver, which is an Omega. I have the SMP 300C, or the Seamaster Professional, which I absolutely love this watch. In fact, well, it is almost 12 o'clock on the 16th of January. But once again, this is just a beautiful, beautiful watch. For the price, it's really hard to say that this watch here is, 2 to 3 times the watch of that one. But this is an incredible watch, and this is it's an incredible watch. It's actually a better watch, in my opinion. I do like it more, but it's not just a watch. It's really, for a lot of people, it's an accomplishment too. So just a fantastic, gorgeous, gorgeous watch. I'm very, very happy to have such a thing. And I'm actually trying to pare down to a single watch. I have this Omega right now, which is actually going to a new owner today. I have an Omega Aquaterra, which is the Skyfall, which is a fantastic watch. I have another Tag Heuer Formula One Red Bull Racing Edition, which is a gorgeous watch as well. And I have a G-Shock, and yesterday I had a Tag Heuer Twin Time Carrera, which once again I absolutely love that watch too. But I'm trying to get rid of all the others. Except for the G-Shock, and just try to focus on this and the G. So I just wanted this to be kind of like my life watch that I have all my experiences with, primarily with this. And if you're looking on the back here, I left the plastic on this part of the clasp, just because that's where it's going to be most prone to get scratched. So I thought, well, I'll just leave that on as long as possible to keep scratches. But the rest of it, I took off all the other plastics last night whenever I got the watch. But it's a beauty, and I hope if this is something that you're aspiring towards, I hope you get it. Bye.